Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got a few developments that we have on the vehicle that we are going to show in this video. So we're going to show the vehicle how it was when I bought it and how it is, because the vehicle was resprayed. We have removed the stickers, the old stickers that were on the vehicle, and we've put new stickers on the vehicle. There's a Ford Ranger sticker at the back, there's a High Rider stickers on the sides. We also did the mag wheels, so we changed the color of the mag wheels. I did them personally, so I'll show you how I did my mag wheels from silver to black. I've also upgraded the front end of the vehicle, where I still use the original parts of the vehicle, but I just upgraded the lights and the look of the vehicle. So basically this is how the vehicle looked like. So as you can see, the mags were silver and the front end, there were a bit of scratches and the paint peeling from the removing the original stickers of the vehicle. So there were these sporting stickers that I did not like. This is when it was sprayed. I sent it for panel beating. Apparently they just buffed it and sprayed it. It's unfortunate I was not there, so I could not get the proper videos to upload, but I thought maybe just put it on the video so that we can see the whole route as to what happened there. I requested the bumper, the color to be changed so that a bit of styling, but yeah, let's go to the mags now. So this is how they looked when they were cleaned. So after cleaning, I had to use the 2000 grit and the 1.5 grit to scrub off the little stretch marks that were already there on the vehicle. So on all four rims I had to do the scrubbing, which took time. It really does take time, and you also need to be patient when you're doing this. On spraying, this was the combination of the first course and third course and third course. So you know, when you're spraying, you don't need to put it too close, and your hand has to move around evenly so that the paint must not shoot back. Then the color or the sitting of the paint won't look nice. So I had to keep on doing this up until the whole silver color was black. And then there is now, this was the look on the second layer, and now this was the look on the third layer. And then this is how they looked when I installed them on the vehicle. So yeah, on the next video I'm going to show you what I'm gonna do on my steering wheel. So now what I have the problem with my steering wheel, I'm gonna show you now. If you driving is fine, but once you are like stationary and you can talk with it, it's shaking. So there are two pins that you need to put at the back. So there are two holes, this side and the other side, to remove the steering airbag. Then there is a bolt there that you need to tighten. So you just tighten. So the next video I send it to the mechanic to do it for me. Right now we were putting the stickers of the vehicle. This was very difficult. That was my first time, so I had to use a string to make sure that I have a proper straight line here, with a bit of help, because from the other end where the R of the Ranger starts, so I will need someone to hold for me on the other end and then unsticker. It was very difficult, but with a bit of patience it came right. Was nice. I was happy with the outcome here for the tailgate lettering. I was very happy because This was the first time I had to put it on, so yeah.
And if you hear this song, then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Now already on the small details, now showing different.
Can you hear me, please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Bad man she love, bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shots.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a the knock off.
And if you hear this song, then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it.
So guys, thank you for being with me this far. This is the end of the video, and I would appreciate, guys, if you subscribe, if you'd like, and share also on your socials, be it TikTok or WhatsApp. We're currently sitting on 67 subscribers. I would appreciate if I can go over 100 subscribers with this video. So on the next video that we are going to load, we are going to do the sound system of the vehicle. Basically, we're upgrading, we're taking off the stock speakers, putting Pioneer speakers. I think I'll use Tag Up or Pioneer depending on the budget, and I'll also add 2 subs, and I'll also add amps, and I'll also add tweeters. So I need to put tweeters, maybe I'll mount them here or at the back, and also I'll also put them at the front. So we are going to use the original radio. So I'll also show you how to connect the low to high converter that will power our amp. I think I'll use 1 amp for now. So guys, thank you for being with me. Thank you for advising me. For those who can still advise, for those I think with regards to, I think actually this channel, we have mechanics on, we have technicians on, or electricians on. I would really appreciate the advices of what I can do on the vehicle. I might be selling it soon, but as far as I'm still with it, I would like to show you what I'm doing on mine. Thank you, guys.
Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.